In the previous episode, we created our characters. Now it's time to build the locations where the story will take place. This time, we'll provide Claude with a few references of a beach, since this is where most of our story unfolds. We upload a couple of references and ask Claude to generate a Mediterranean beach in southern Spain. We also specify that we want 2 bonfires, and to provide additional context, we explain that the scene takes place during the San Juan celebrations in the late 1970s. Because our story takes place across 2 different time periods, past and present, we ask Claude to generate 2 versions of the same location. Both should be shot on 35mm film, but each one should use a different film stock color treatment to help distinguish the 2 eras. Once again, Claude builds the process automatically and generates the results directly inside our space. Remember that you can iterate as many times as needed until you achieve the desired result. Once you're happy with the final versions, ask Claude to save them in the Locations folder. And with that, we've completed another important step in our project.